All right. Don't forget, guess that shit challenge. Locker.
If you guess what card's in here, we send you a free pack of cards.
Random pack.
And this is the card that's in here is from Celestial Storm. It has to be holographic or higher.
Let's be very specific about the card.
Yeah.
So what V Max,
VGX.
VGX, EX, banana,
It could even also just be a regular hollow.
Hello, everyone.
And welcome to
Card Hunters Crew!
Openings on the
Whatever Wednesday today with some Chilling Rain and some Lightning Overdrive.
Hey, yo, real quick, super huge shout out to all the people that watched our latest short. Getting ready to over 5,000 views.
Welcome if you're new.
I just thought that was really cool.
Oh, yeah. 5,000 views.
Yeah, you didn't know?
No. 5,000 views.
Oh, wow.
In one day, 14 subscribers.
Wow. Nice.
So,
War Rock Generations,
Oh, yeah,
Boo Boo
sorry.
Game.
whatever. Oh, yeah, good thing 750 subscribers, by the way. We will be doing
Ooh,
That's nice.
Diviner of the Herald.
Secret rare.
a Chilling Rain.
Chilling
TV.
Rain ETV. Okay.
Sorry. And at 1,000 subs, we will be doing a 3 booster box giveaway. One for
One Pokemon, one for Yu-Gi-Oh, and one Dragon Ball.
Yes.
My line.
So, hook us up with the subs and stuff. Get us up there, and we'll get you there. Okay? Don't touch me! Oh my god. Hey, I meet you.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yamari Mori, I don't fucking know. Springing Brothers, Judgment of the Branded. Ooh, that's one of the chase cards, ain't it?
Is it?
It has to be in the Starlight rare.
Ah,
But yes, that is the card.
that's one of the chase cards, Starlight version. Birth of the Prominent Flame, home by one. Springing's Booty.
Wow.
War Rock, Big Blow. Big Blow and Booty.
If only that would have been the Starlight rare version.
What?
So that,
Oh, I know, right? Oh my god.
that would have been. Alright. DDD Super Night. Amazement Special Show. One Carry Way. War Rock Generations.
Oh,
Dark Infant at Inkster.
Big Mister.
Z's Armed Siege. UNAI.
Why is it AI?
Binary Blade. Savine Crossbreed.
So yeah,
This horse dog tag. 1 3-way. Dark Eye Nightmare. Terrors of the Underroot. Eater the Sun Magician.
damn.
Spriggan's Booty. You and AI. Yep. Alright, that's right. Amazement, Ambassador 255.
Alright, you wait.
I ain't for it.
You stole my first shot. My
I chose
no, bro. You got second, bro.
These are the packs from our booster box
You got a forcefully put them in your
that we thought were resealed but wasn't.
Yeah, see, it's got this little like, but it's been a pretty good boost box so far, right?
Yeah, our last whatever Wednesday we did nothing but these packs here, and we pulled some pretty good stuff.
So go watch that if you haven't.
Yeah. Swirlix Reverse and
Open.
Serena.
Serena.
No, it's Serena. It's Serena.
Big old doo-doo head.
I can't believe you'd say that about me, though. Oh my god, I did it on the first try. I'm sorry, there's something. There's
The
a lot.
first try squad.
2, 3, 4.
I ain't part of that squad yet.
Fire Energy, hopefully.
Oh yeah, that's gotta
Scroll
be
of
fire.
Skies. Something Tree Hill. Steamy. Ralts.
Steamy card.
Heracross. Cast Form.
Steamy fire.
Spiel. a Tina, weeding gloves, and a hollow Beedrill. You done goofed it.
You goofed it.
Goofed
You
it.
goofed it, mate.
Mine Chilling Reign pack. Move that away from the top.
Oh, sorry.
You fucking triggered, man. Walk to the other side.
That was
Manly.
low.
Alright, we
That
got
actually
Psychic,
hurt
Old Cemetery,
No wonder. It sounded like
Steamy.
it came straight from your stomach.
It did.
Dyna Tree Hill, Grookey,
It took a lot out of
Mareep, Rock Gruff, Whirling,
Right.
You need to chill.
Lapras.
I don't know what's wrong with
You
me.
need to chill.
Here, take a doctor.
Ah, doctor! No, thank you. She has no springing booty.
Wow.
You gotta get on my way.
Oh,
Bye.
freaking lock.
Oh, guess that shit
We
challenge.
always forget to say it. Time out. Don't even worry about that. We'll do it at the end of this, and I'll put it in the beginning of the video. Wait till he's done. I know.
Psychic Energy. Haunter. Rupture. Zero. War Bunny.
He's not
Drop it.
sorry. Trust me. He's not.
Cutthroat. Blitzel. Quillfish.
Just that hot.
Reverse Rapid Strikes. Oh, the skies. And is that striking? Nothing.
They're just the hot ones.
Here's that.
Make sure you're checking out Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Patreon. $1 a month will help us a lot. Instagram, we put videos out there. We don't put anywhere else.
And don't forget.
Sorry, go ahead.
If you'd like to support our channel anyway, you can do so by hitting us up on Instagram or ask about our email. If you do send us anything, it will go back here on our Wall of Fame.
And don't forget about 750 subscriber giveaway. We're giving a Chilling Reign ETB. Also, 1,000 subs. We're giving away 3 booster boxes. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that was a lot in one breath.
Okay.
Make sure you like the video for us.
Make sure you leave in the comments down
And
below.
remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more episodes like this one.